going on, hustlers? Another day, another dollar. So this morning I woke up and I looked at Yard Sale Treasure Map and I was like, wow, there's an abundance of sales in the central New York area today. And I was like, man, we already have the day planned out. We're supposed to do a few things at the office, ship some items, list some items, get some things done around the house. There's no way we can go sourcing today. I sent a copy of the picture from Yard Sale Treasure Map to Kathy. And she's like, well, you know, there's a church sale going on that wasn't on there. And there was another church sale on the other side of town, wasn't on there. She's like, my mom wanted to go to them. I'm like, all right, call your mom, we'll go to breakfast. We'll hit up the church sales. Maybe hit a couple garage sales in between. I needed to go pick up a table I bought off of Facebook Marketplace for the recording studio area to do the podcasts. And we went about our day. We're just getting done. It's like 5:30 at night. And we hit a bunch of garage sales. We found a couple neighborhood sales. We kind of just made the day of it. We had a really great time. And we found some really great finds, including some stuff for our own personal use. Such as these two bikes. As you can see, sorry about the sun, it's kind of cutting them out, but we paid $10 a piece for these two bikes. So Caden can decide if he wants both of them, wants one of them, or none of them. Either way, I'll put them back online on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace and easily get my money back. Let me show you the other stuff we bought. Alright, here's some of our finds from today's yard sales. First up, Nintendo DS with a case, 3 games, the charger, pink in color, $10. I may not be selling that one because Caden's looking for a DS. As you guys saw on the last time we found a DS, Paige ended up wanting it. So that may be a loss and just be staying in the house. If Caden doesn't want the pink one, then it will be going up for sale. Next up, we have this box of goodies. Paid $5 for the entire box. Xbox 360 connects. Logitech G13 keyboard. Look up that comp. I will show you comps on all of these when we get done. Logitech gaming mouse. This lovely pair of NVIDIA 3D glasses. $5 for the entire box. Then we have the same garage sale where we bought those bikes. I bought this flag for $40. That's not a resale item. That's actually going to be hung on the wall here in our office. It's made out of wood. The guy made it himself. He had a couple different styles to choose from. And we also bought this Netgear router that's going to Amazon. They were asking $50 for it. Have a receipt showing that they paid $97. Comps show that it's easily a quick $20 flip. I'll get an extra $20 coming back to me after I send it to Amazon. At another sale, we bought this Planters 75th anniversary from 1981 glass jar for $1. Then we went to this other garage sale, and I forgot to bring my phone with me to the sale, so I had to run back to the truck and check. They had 3 of these boxes at $5 a piece. They are brand new surveillance cameras. The model number is iCamera-1000. Open the box there. You can see brand new sealed, everything with them. They were selling $30 to $50. Again, I'll show you some comps at the end of the video. Then we had this other garage sale where I picked up this whole pile of stuff. You have a Sony remote for $1. I could send this into Amazon, and if the case wasn't already like split open on the side and then they put some staples in the top, I probably could make 16, 18 bucks on it. But due to the condition of the packaging, I'm not going to send that to Amazon, so that'll be an eBay flip. This Microsoft Lifecam HD 3000, bought it for $4. Easily will sell that for $20 on eBay. Rubik's Cube, brand new in the package, never been opened. That's probably going to go to Amazon. Make about $5 on it. I paid 50 cents. wireless forecast station. Paid $4 for it. eBay comps were showing, 30 to 50, depending on condition. I did open the box, make sure all the pieces were there. The lady did take it out, have it used. She didn't use the outside sensor, so I'll test it all out and get that set up for the right condition, and we'll show you some comps on that. And last up is this purse that Kathy's mom was with us, and she bought a purse similar to it at the sale, and Kathy decided to look up what they were after we had left and gone to another sale, and we ended up going back to get the second purse that they have. Kath, what'd you pay for that purse?
$5.
So Kath paid $5 for it, and what are the comps?
20 to 130.
20 to 130. So we've got to do a little bit more research to see exactly which one we have, and then we'll be able to figure it all out. But there you have it. That's what we bought at the garage sales today. Let us know in the comments what you found this weekend. Alrighty, hustlers, get out there and go do.